So friends, if you want to know how to get SBI credit card number in SBI card application, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open SBI card application in your mobile phone. Once you open the application, enter your MPIN and complete the login process. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. At the top, you can check out your name, you can check out available credit limit, you can check out basic details like limit utilized, and you can also check out last 4 digit of your credit card number. But in order to check full credit card number, you have to select view card option. As soon as you select view card, you get a pop-up screen like this, and you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. You have to enter the OTP and submit it. Once you enter the OTP, select submit option, and now you can see within few seconds you get your whole card number. You can also check out the expiry. Again, if you want to hide the details, you can select hide card option. Next time onwards, again, if you want to check out the details, select view card and then you will receive an OTP, and you have to follow the same process. So this is how simple it is to get card number in SBI card application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.